Okay, let's see the magnet sash frame. First thing, we have to remove the arm. This is a 6 needle machine, so we have an arm A. A is like a red color, right? Now we see this is a sash frame, right? PRMS360, and it has a magnet sensor on it. So you just easily to install it, attach it to the machine, and it's just like you attach on A1. Because right now we are not removing this, right? So machine will detect that. That means machine will tell you this frame cannot be used. Let's see this screen. Come onto here. We can easily to click on any of design. For example, we put an A here, right? It's just a 1 inch by 1 inch, right? When you click edit M, you will see the embroidery frame cannot be used. And it's waiting for you to change it because you still have this, the magnet. So before you update, the machine won't recognize anything like this, right? This frame cannot be recognized. So right now we are going to show you how to make it work. If you are using like a older model, for example PR600, PR600 PR650, PR620, those are the machine cannot be using this frame. So the only way you can do is remove this. This is a magnet. Once you remove this magnet, and remember to press down the hoop sensor, so that will make machine to detect like area size frame on it, so it will give you the largest size for that. So we remove the magnet. Remember there's a magnet over here, right? You can see that's a whole set of magnet, 2 screws and the 1 little round shape magnet. And then we are going to put this is a clip. We just clip on here because of this area. You can see this area. If you cannot see very clear, you can check out my Facebook page, and I have a photo album to show you how to do this. And remember to remove these 2 wires because it's kind of like stuck on the machine. So better to turn it upside down like this, so you will see like that. So that way you can easily to press down the hoop sensor. Let's put it into the machine. Okay, so tighten the 2 thumb screw. The thumb screw is a small one. I see a lot of people using the big one, so it's so easy to hit the machine cover. That's the other side. So when you recording from this side, let's see from this side, you will see you will press down the hoop sensor in here. So once you tighten it, you will see the hoop sensor is being pressed down. Just like that, so you can tighten it. Okay, so that way the hoop sensor will be pressed down, right, without the magnet. So using the same file you can see on the screen. Right now we click on edit M. It will let you using this frame, and you can move this to the left side. You can move it to the right side. So it's already wide open. Today you're using the 300mm by 200mm, the biggest frame on the 6 needle machine. So that's top, right? You see, that's the area you can using it. Just see like a fast frame, but be careful because this frame is very heavy. You can see right now it's already tipped, right? So this part will easy to hit. So better using a table, brother table, or you can buy the fast frame table to holding it. So in case it's hitting this part, right? So that will cause you losing the position like this, right? So be careful of that. It's very close, you can see that, right? But it's not touching it. See this? It's not touching it. But very close, so must be very careful. Okay, so that's how we're doing this. Is using the software update. The software update is just released today, so we are going to show you how to update. This is a PR1050X machine, so we are going to do the update. Okay, now we are going to update the software. Usually when you update software, first thing you have to press down this, right? The shredded button and holding it. Turn on the power at the same time. So wait until the screen showing you this is the update screen and it's orange color. So plug in your software. Make sure first thing, make sure the media is compatible with your machine, because most of USB media is not compatible with brother machine, so it cannot be read. So make sure like that, and you can download the USB media compatible list, right? And that way to make sure your update is all correct. And then format the USB first, then copy the file, only one file, the update file, to the USB and bring it to here, right? And right side you see a mouse. This is a USB mouse, but we don't need that. We only need to update from this. So left side, and make sure it's the top one. We have 3 USB port, right? The top one. Plug in your USB drive on top one and click on this. And USB machine will show you to upload from USB, right? So this is how you update. You just wait until it's updated to 100%. The file size is about like 85 megabyte. I think it's around like 85 megabyte. Compared with 10 needle machine. 10 needle machine is about like 350 megabytes, something like that. The previous machine software is 1.06. So right now we are updating to 1.10, I believe it's 1.10. This is a PR1050X machine, and to be able to using this sash frame, right? Brother is only allow PR655, PR670E, and the 10 needles PR1000, 1000E, and PR1050X. Only those machines with software update that released today can using this frame. But if you are having like a old model, like a 650, if you have a PR650, PR620, and the PR600 and the PR602, those machines are not able to read because the brother doesn't have like a software update for those. So that means you have to using the way I showed you before, right? Just remove the hoop sensor and then press down the hoop sensor. Remove the magnet and press down the hoop sensor. So that way, machine will detect like 12 by 8 frame on the machine. So that way you can use it like a fast frame. It's almost done. It's about like 100% here. Okay, upgrade completed. Okay, so we can just turn off the power and remove this, right? Let's see if that works or not. Definitely it will work, because brother already delayed for this update. Supposed to be last week. on the machine. And right now we put this back, right? So the magnet will be the same as original. When you get this PRMS360, and let's lock it. Okay, same thing. You see, it's already tilted like this. It's too heavy, so better using with table PR1050X table. So let's do that. You can see here, it's already show you on the screen. It's detect the new frame, sash frame, and the icon is already changed, right? So you can using any like a file, and you can move to anywhere. And machine won't tell you the frame is not able to use. So edit it. You can see right now it's like that, right? Even like this, right? You can see that will be the top left side. Okay, so you can move this frame to anywhere. The design can be moved to anywhere. You can see actually the frame center is different than previous we using like a press down the sensor, because it will give you a lot of space, so it won't hit the machine arm. You can see here, that's the very bottom, so you won't hit this. So that's why you need to update for this. So that's the closest to the top, right? So you can see still have a space over here. Let's see the bottom. So you won't hit that. But if you are using the old model, like I say, you're using the PR600, 602, 620, and the 650 or 650E, that will be using like a fast frame. So you have to be careful, it will hit this sewing arm. Okay? So that's the way I show you how to using this and how to update. Thank you for watching.